Not sure how to use your TCL AC remote? Model number GYKQ-21. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your TCL AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The anti-mildew feature helps prevent mold and mildew buildup inside the system by reducing moisture and keeping the interior dry, ensuring cleaner and healthier air. The 3D button activates 3D airflow mode, which combines both horizontal and vertical swing. This allows the cool or warm air to spread evenly in all directions, providing faster and more consistent room comfort. Press the display button to turn the AC's screen light on or off. This helps reduce light disturbance at night while still keeping the unit running normally. Press the Health button to activate the AC's air purification or ionizer feature, helping improve indoor air quality while cooling or heating. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the Swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. Need more breeze? Tap the Fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Timer mode lets you schedule your AC to turn off automatically. Just set the hours, and your AC will cool or shut off exactly when you want. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press the Mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Pressing the Eco button activates energy-saving mode, where your AC balances cooling and power use. It adjusts fan speed and temperature settings automatically. The Super button enables turbo mode, running the AC at maximum fan speed and cooling/heating power. It quickly reaches the set temperature in a short time for instant comfort. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the Mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your TCL AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.